Hey everybody, Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy, coming back to you with some more information on a non-conforming program that I really think is coming into play and is going to be more and more important as time goes on. Home prices have gone up pretty consistently here for the last long time, 10 years or so. Interest rates are starting to increase. Both of those are expected to continue to increase. And let's face it, it's just stretching people's ability to make those mortgage payments. I'm very excited about a new program that we have coming out. In these videos, I keep referencing the way things were back then because I really want to point out the differences. The product I'm talking about, the payments are spread out over 40 years, not 30. Typically, it's 15 to 30. This is spread out over 40 years, but for the first 10 years, it's interest only. The payments are significantly less. If we look at a $200,000 property at 5% interest, you're looking at a mortgage payment of $833. Now, that doesn't include taxes and insurance, but that's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars less than it would be on a 30-year principal and interest fully amortizing loan. I mentioned referencing the past. Here's the good thing about this. It's a fixed rate mortgage. So for 10 years, you have interest only, and then you just have your regular 30-year principal and interest fixed loans. Yes, the payment jumps up, but it jumps up once 10 years later and then is stabilized after that. And that is so critical. When we start looking at these non-conforming products, it's so important that we don't put people in a position where they are forced to refinance down the road, because that's where you get into trouble. If you're forced to refinance and at the time you have to refinance, rates are too high or property values are too low or whatever it is, that's when people start getting into trouble. Foreclosures and short sales come into play. And these loan programs should not put people in that position because they're fixed rate products. There's also no prepayment penalty. So people have ultimate flexibility in that regard. Credit, income, all that stuff has to qualify, but the payments are spread over 40 years. They are interest only for the first 10, principal and interest for the remaining 30, fixed rate mortgage. If you're stretched on your payments, or maybe you're a first-time home buyer and you're waiting for your income to catch up with you, something of that nature, please reach out to me because it's a really exciting product and I think it's going to make home ownership that much more affordable for that many more people. I'm Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please share this video with your friends and share the page. And outside of that, I'll see you at the next one.